magiging girl housemate ka, sino sa tingin mo ang magiging counterpart mo at bakit?
Ako ay magiging si Mika Salamanca. I believe we've been through the same things, pero despite all the challenges, she proved herself. And I can say, I am her.
Mika.
Parang feel ko si Mika lang talaga yung naisip. Kasi same kami mindset eh. Naghahanap ka daw ng karpentero.
Bakit?
Tara baby, let's build our life together.